大家好啊！咁咧我就係香港模型隊同埋 Red Studio 嘅 Rex 啦。咁今日好難得就嚟到呢個菲律賓嘅 BSMS 模型大賽2026嘅會場，咁梗係拍下片同大家分享下啦。咁呢度其實就係菲律賓阿亞摩嗰個商場嘅。咁比賽咧其實就喺會場，即係喺個商場裏邊舉行。咁我哋而家咧就差唔多嚟到呢個正門㗎啦。好，咁呢個咧就係菲律賓 Scale Model Show 2026嘅正門入口啦，咁今朝就喺度剪咗彩嘅，咁入邊咧其實人山人海啊，咁我今次都好榮幸啦，都係受邀請嚟到呢度幫手做評審嘅，咁而今次就係做 figure 組嘅。好啦，咁入到嚟現場咧就睇得到啦，呢度係一個巨型嘅作品啦。咁跟住咧，今年佢哋應該有超過800件嘅作品，你會睇到個現場都幾震撼。咁而家你見到入邊咧冇人嘅，咁出邊有好多人。點解咧？就因為其實而家係評審時間嚟嘅。咁其實我哋嗰組咧就已經評完㗎啦。咁但係仲係評審時間，所以咧我哋就入邊係冇人。咁既然而家入邊咁鬆動，咁我就梗係入去拍片㗎嘛，趁冇人俾大家睇下。好啦，咁感謝工作人員放咗我入嚟啦。我就唔係呢組，不過評審就可以隨便入嚟。咁我呢度就已經係高達組啦，睇就知哇，睇作品。好，咁睇作品我 zoom 翻近少少啦。咁我睇作品嘅同時，咁我就唔好太多廢話啦。咁大家可以欣賞下啦。
Don't go directly and make like this, okay? Because eventually you will end up committing errors and mistakes. So wait till you rough. So we always start with rough drawings. We always start with sketches.
嗰邊應該係高達組，但係呢邊可能已經係轉咗去其他組別㗎啦喎。呢度應該係叫 Mecha and AI， 即係機械組喎呢啲。咁機械組其實應該不限所有參加嘅嘢，所以高達都可以擺入呢一組。好啦，咁大致上睇過下啦。跟住呢一邊咧。就係叫 Sci-Fi Vehicle 啊，即係話科幻嘅載具組，咁唔係好多啦。咁但係呢啲都係一啲載具嚟嘅，就唔會係個機械人主體。跟住咧就係一啲船嘅組別啦，船艦組啦。好。好啦，嚟到呢一邊咧，就係去翻睇下先，都係 Mecha and AI 組。
Old school, meron tayong scale ruler. And also, you must have
由於
rulers
實在係太多作品啦，
different scales.
咁所以咧我都冇辦法逐件咁樣去，即係咁樣影咧就睇到悶㗎。都純粹志在行下，咁大家認識下呢個比賽有啲咩組別啦。
These rulers are very helpful to me.
相信菲律賓嘅比賽，香港未必太多人嚟參加過，咁所以咧都想同大家分享下。
Okay, there you go.
講真，我自己都係第一次嚟嘅
Next
啫，
slide, please.
咁所以都幾有
So
趣
there's
嘅，我覺
the
得。
comparison. You should always look at this.
好，咁睇完呢個高達組不如我哋行下去隔離啦。出邊其實仲有一欄好多下嘅，咁我就唔行咁多啦。咁我哋就行過隔離嗰度咧，睇下其他組別啦。咁而家台上面其實都可能有啲遊緊嘢嘅比賽或者係之類嘅舉行緊嘅，咁喺台嗰邊。咁好啦，跟住呢第二個組別呢邊咧就應該可以睇下啦。呢一邊咧就係民用組啦。好，咁相近少少睇下啦。咁呢邊啲組別，因為我就唔係好擅長啦，所以我就冇辦法 comment 得到。咁但我睇落去就佢啲作品咧普遍都好大件啊，都好巨型。但係你睇我隻手擺埋嘅比例，成架車就係咁樣啊，真係好誇張啊！大 咁好啦，跟住咧就到呢個坦克組啦。
It's a very good guide for your training in doing your PR. Okay, next is
坦克組都係配翻人仔啊，其實現場睇到全部都好靚嘅。
This one is inches converted to 1 inches to 100 is equivalent to 1:1,200.
跟住輪到飛機組咯喎，航空組其實我諗都係佢哋都幾強，我覺得都幾靚，
Okay.
水準絕對唔低啊！
Here is this question is
好，咁跟住咧
when you have somebody ask you to do it, you should put
呢啲好巨型啊，啲飛機都係好大㗎。
contract. Even if it's your friend, even if it's your close friend.
有啲少少嘅情景咧，咁我睇落去啊更加開心啲。
You don't want to
好，
getting
咁跟住咧，跟住呢邊咧，我哋再睇翻呢邊，哦，仍然都係呢個 Mecha AI 啊，即係都係機械組喎。其實佢哋係比較多人參加機械組。
It says not for
我相信起碼有
outdoor
3個呢個作品都係高達同埋科幻。
Here's my experience. Okay. Can we go to the next slide, please?
有好多都可能係自己改造過。
Next slide.
裝甲騎兵啦，機良都屬於組喎，原來。
You see, there's Albert right there.
咁我相信有好多都係一啲內地嗰啲機械人。咁啊，所以佢哋唔屬於高達嘅， 咁但係都做到
And the
嘅。
Oro, which is the PT boat that had Douglas MacArthur travel from
呢啲好有動感嘅啲小場景，我自己個人好中意。
Then the Oro, he flew a plane going to Australia.
唯獨咧，佢哋呢度因為可能之前嗰個安排嗰陣時位置唔係好夠，所以有少少擺亂嗰啲位，咁啲停感就要辛苦啲啦。 因為要走嚟走去。呢邊又係啲科幻載具嗰啲。 呢啲好仔細啊！呢啲做得靚。
So this when
以
we
前
say
啲
this,
星戰呢啲我都覺
you
得係
see,
非常之
with regards to the
MAK 啦，當然
what I mentioned before, you see it was very nice, okay? We submitted it, we had it sent to the Oro, with a nice boat right there. Can we go to the next slide, please? Next slide, please.
好 Sandland 都有啊，正。有冇人仔先？已經有人仔啦喎！一陣研究下佢遊成點先。
This model is not.
好，跟住咧，呢啲應該係個船艦組嘅另一邊，冇錯啦。好，跟住我哋去埋最後嗰邊啦，最後嗰邊就係情景組同埋我去評審嘅人像組啦。
Next slide, please.
咁原來嗰邊出唔到，唔好意思，咁我要行翻
It
轉
was
頭。
inaugurated. It was not there's the people right
Oh,
there.
paano po ba?
He displayed it from 7 o'clock to 3:30.
好，咁慢慢行過去先，因為出咗嚟咧就好多人，喺入邊就好舒服。
And you see the.
好啦，咁呢一度咧就係入去啦。
So
Thank you.
it has a 1/4 inch.
好，咁我哋繼續睇啦。嗱，呢邊咧又係頭先嘅民用組啦。呢邊啲民用組咧，佢有好多都會做下啲
So
舊
what
化，
happened
即係唔係話全部都立令佢哋嘅做法係，
Of course,
所以都幾唔同。
they paid me, but the sad
都有埋個
part
駕
is
駛員就
it's not
望我
enough.
完整好多。因為呢
It's
邊
the
就係
labor, it's
坦
the
克
now
啦。
what you do. Can we go back to the former slide, please? The one.
坦克組頭先睇咗另外嗰邊，咁而家可以睇埋呢一
Can we
邊
go
就
back? One more, please. One more slide back.
好飛機組呢邊，
No.
我可以睇下啲我自己
Okay, let's just go.
有限知識裏邊覺得靚嗰啲作品，我都盡量影一影。
So what I'm saying is, what I'm telling you is, if you have something like those,
呢件我個人幾中意，好
don't
靚
put
我覺得。
under direct sunlight. Those are just for indoors. Anything.
你都有人加燈喎喺飛機嗰度。
Yeah. Albert right here, he cried. I cried also.
加個
Okay.
燈又好似幾好氣
Now let's go
氛。
on.
好，
Okay.
直升機啦係有份啦。
So instead
最後咧，
these are
咁啊之後咧就嚟到我哋嘅 figure 組啦。咁 figure 組咧嗱，其實你見到呢堆咧，
especially for
因為其實我哋選比分嗰陣時咧就中意咧，因為細件啊嘛，所以可以喐得。咁所以咧我哋就會將啲我哋覺得有獎嗰啲咧就擺晒出嚟，咁啊方便我哋啲評審去評
Let's
分。
go to the next scene, please.
咁嗱，而家睇到呢堆咧，
Okay.
呢幾隻咧就係銅獎嚟嘅。咁由於條片咧會係頒完獎先出，咁所以咧我就唔介意公佈埋啲獎㗎。咁呢幾隻咧就會係銀獎嚟嘅，係啦。
Okay.
跟住最後呢四隻咧就係我哋
For me,
金獎啦。
have any significance?
哇，好
Because
犀利㗎！
this is the
好，咁跟住咧呢啲咧就係其他嗰啲
then we call
參
this
賽作品。
in advertising.
咁我有好多都我個人自己都好多都好中意。
Okay, it's just name.
咁有邊啲係特別中意？其實特別中意嗰好多都已經拎咗出去評審啦。咁所以呢堆咧都多中意嘅。譬如呢件我個人係好中意嘅。呢幾隻細嘅咧都係超靚。咁但係咧就有嗱呢啲都幾 OK，遠睇係幾靚。有啲嘢都有啲情景加配版，都唔少。咁呢組咧我已經全部影晒相，所以咧就唔使擔心，遲啲可以慢慢欣賞。咁呢邊咧就係情景組啦。情景組之中咧，我覺得最震撼就係呢一件咯。 係真係有點而不得了，我就覺得係。其實個工作量咧，即係俾我諗我幾年都整唔完呢隻嘢。
Okay, you can put animals.
Oh,
This
silent.
one is a new product from Tomica.
佢全部佈滿晒啲打緊仗嘅人仔喺度，
It's in
跟
one.
住仲有啲大嘢啦，係。咁而我個人最中意嗰件情景咧，其實下面呢一件，好震撼呢件真係。咁無論個氣氛啊，各方面全部都係做得超一流。
Okay.
好，跟住繼續。
This is a Bayside diorama something. Put water. See, put water on your layout. Then put figures. Then you have your guide.
咁咧情景組其實我都影晒相啊，咁所以可以遲啲再慢慢分享下。
Next
咁啊呢組嘢都幾犀利，感覺上係兩組嘢擠埋咗一齊，但係即係砌咗兩組嘅模。
See, there's a die cast.
咁呢啲咧又係玩呢個燈箱啦。
Even the shark you do from scratch. Next
咁佢哋咧就情景組其實咩都會抌晒落嚟嘅，可以。
A forest layout, you can do that. I think I
高達啊、軍事啊、科幻啊、Warhammer 啊，嗰啲所有情景佢哋都會擠埋一齊。
We have a bridge.
嗱呢啲咁啊好有趣嘅情景，我好中意睇到呢啲作品。
Your expensive.
好啦，咁啊跟住咧基本上仲有幾件好巨型嘅高達作品喺嗰邊，咁咧冇理由唔去影埋俾大家睇下。 因為我自己個人就覺得好犀利，呢一個亦都好靚啦，
Remember the last
警
time
察
we
嘅
had the finance slot diorama? It's just plain. It's just straight.
我就幾中意呢
This
個景
one, he made it diagonal. See, the road is
始終我
diagonal.
都係科幻嘅，所以都係睇科幻嘅，就比較在行。
Vehicles there.
好，咁跟住出翻嚟啦，哇！呢一組景都犀利喎，你之前我未
He
睇
made
過呢
a
組，
nicer scene than the firing squad.
未影過呢組要搞搞啦，哇！非常之
Another one is there. He made it diagonal. You'll see later on that bridge will be hanging there. Next, please.
爺呢組都好震撼喎，原來高達唔係揸片頭嚟喎，呢位。
You can do a race diorama. You can have your die-cast car fly like that.
完全就喺一個貨倉裏邊啦。
Then put some
啊呢個我會，如果我哋俾我揀，我會
foliage and everything.
好高分
Next
嘅
slide, please. And also, you can do vintage. This one is wall mounted.
呢啲都係一啲好有趣
wall
嘅題
mounted.
材。
It's
啊呢隻又係超犀利，你睇我隻手就俾我，你知道有幾大嘅啫。
It's wall mounted. You can put lights. This one looks authentic, no?
裏邊嗰隻可
You can
係
do
咪
that
比
with
試入
your die-cast.
應該比
Next,
試入8
please.
添，呢隻大個。
Well, there's no. Of course, there's no.
有燈有剩啦，
You
行
can
過
do
一
that.
路。
Next
現場
is,
睇係只有好震
and
撼
that's
嘅
the
嘢。
other layout of the one I
咁
said.
呢啲亦都係啲好 detail 好仔
He had it
細。
diagonal and he did some
而家
waterworks.
都好興呢啲做一個窿咁樣就擠一個景，
And
個
also,
氣氛其實都唔錯，加盞燈就。
I think Romel Tadeo is doing this, no?
MAK 咧，只要做成景就都可以擺喺度。
Okay, let's go to next slide, please.
好啦，嗱咁大致上咧都差唔多嘅，啊仲有少少呢邊都有啲人像，呢啲人像組啦。
Okay, let's go to do's and don'ts. First of all, you have to do lots of research.
咁大致上就係咁多啦。
Ask the historians, ask
好。
and ask again.
咁啊，今日嘅報道啦，或者同大家分享就到呢度為止啦。呢個就係成個會場嘅
Nothing is
全
trust.
部
Even if
嘅。
a client asks me to do
報紙啊。
something, you do this, I won't accept it if it is in
咁
a
啊，商場其實真係非常大，
Because
都好多嘢食嘅。好，咁就到呢度為止啦。多謝大家睇咗咁耐啦
So, it's not
嚇。
about
之後可以睇下
the
我
money,
影咗幾多相，就再睇相分享啲作品啦。拜拜。
keep scale